Did you know yawning too much could be your body sending a distress signal? Most people blame it on being tired or bored, but when yawning happens constantly, even after a full night of sleep, your body might be warning you about something serious. Excessive yawning can be a sign of low oxygen reaching your brain, early heart problems, or even neurological conditions like multiple sclerosis and epilepsy. Your brain triggers yawning to try to pull in more oxygen when something is wrong. If you yawn more than usual every single day, talk to your doctor. Follow Healthy You for more.